there, I'm Krista with Fixed Fee IT, Portland's best IT support company, and welcome to our series on everything to know about Microsoft Teams. Today we're walking through a brief introduction to Microsoft Teams and giving an overview of why we use Teams to collaborate online. If you're looking for a specific section of this overview, hover over the progress bar and select the parts you need. Otherwise, let's get started. Microsoft Teams is a great tool that offers a wide number of features. The most popular is that it allows multiple quick and easy options for communication, especially for those who are working remotely, as many of us have found ourselves doing. If you find yourself needing the ability to have multiple chat, video, and audio call options alongside needing to collaborate, present, or even share work with multiple team members or clients, Teams is one of the best options out there for you. The various styles of communication Teams offers are faster than email, and it's just as easy to talk to your coworker one-on-one as it is to give a presentation to multiple clients at once. Teams has easy tools available to let you run polls, take attendance, ask questions, share your screen, and even offers live collaboration with other Microsoft 365 applications like Excel or Word. It doesn't matter what time zone you're working in, so long as you and your collaborator are online together, you can both work together in real time and even watch each other work on the same documents. We only recommend the best tools for our clients and for you, and Teams is, without a doubt, one of the best tools any company can have today. We've put together a playlist that highlights and provides tutorials for some of the best features Teams has. Click the link in the description down below or select the playlist from the right side of this video by hovering over the info button at the top right. And that is your introduction to Microsoft Teams. Now you should have a clear idea of what Microsoft Teams is and why we suggest using it for online collaboration. Check out our other Microsoft tutorials if you're looking to dive deeper into applications like Outlook. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our team of dedicated IT professionals at Fixed Fee IT. And thanks for watching.